Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I'm so happy that I have order that come from the Rwanda. Yes, I think it should be in Africa. Yes, it's in Africa. It's Africa. I'm so happy that LeCow and Le-Right that we have go to a new country. Yes, that is exciting to us. Yes, and I'm so happy that I wish there are so many more and more people in different countries. We are not us. We are not LeCow. We are not Le-Right. Yes, and today I want to show you guys these old boots leathers here. You can see it's just beautiful old boots, super soft. Yeah, super soft leather, and because this order she mentioned to me she want to make it like a EDC. Yes, like a EDC in my shop, but the difference she want all the pockets inside or sewing to the top, not be opened, because she want a very safety covers, and that she can use like a wallet. So she especially want me to sew in all the open part to be the closed. So you can see here, and here can be slide the notebook. Yeah, slide the notebook and with a pen loop. And a special way is here. Yes, you want to be an open big front pocket inside. So we can see it just like two-piece letters in the cover. Yes, so and because she also want the thin leather, so I just like this. It's a A6 size notebook, and because she want to make the middle has a pocket, so I have to cut it half to let have the space to provide the big rooms here. So we can see the thin letters they get together, they just like the regular thickness. So it's very fun. I just separate the original thick leather and make it become two pieces of leathers. Yes, it's very fun, and I just love the new design today. Yes, sewing the top and separate in the middle. Yes, and yes, they are already have same concept and have same design in my shop too. But like this, I just feel very relaxed. Yeah, I feel very good. Yes, so especially the all boots is so soft and pliable. You can see so soft and pliable. So it's very good to touch. If you touch it, if you hold it, it's really comfortable. Yes. Okay. So this is a new order from Africa, and we are so happy that we have a friend from Africa too now. Okay. See you guys soon. Bye bye.